Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you optimize your feed on Facebook. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Facebook. After that, at the bottom of the page you click on menu. After that you have to click on settings and privacy. Then you click on settings and then you choose news feed. You click on it and as you can see there is 4 options. The first one is favorites, so you can mark your favorite people, your best friends for example, and your favorite pages. And after you marked them, the Facebook will prioritize their posts in your feed. The second one, you can snooze people if they are annoying for you or you just don't want to see their posts. The third one is that you can unfollow people, pages and groups that you don't like anymore. And the last one is that you can reconnect with those unfollowed people, pages and groups. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!